Hello everyone, welcome back to Coody Connection. It's been a long time, I know. It's been a weird, rough 2020 for just about everybody. But I'm back with a new video and hopefully you enjoy it. Right this moment I have a 48 port HP Gigabit switch that's sitting kind of catty corner on the back of my desk. I'm not using all the ports obviously, but it does take up quite a bit of space. Here I have a Ubiquiti switch, just got it in. All I did was open the package to make sure it's there. So I wanted to do a quick unboxing here and show you this device. Let's get started. So here's the front of the box. Here's the top with their logo here for the brand. Here's the back. This is where the good stuff's at. So this is, again, Ubiquiti's UniFi line, and it's the 8-port light PoE switch, Gigabit. And here's all your features. Here's the contents. And here's a more detailed breakdown of the back. It's got a nice detailed here in the front flap. They went all out with the design. That's pretty nice. This is slick. Very nice. Let me go ahead and get this out of the box. So here we are. We have the switch. And a lot of the videos I watched online and research, they do very well with their presentation and packaging. Here's some probably like end user stuff. Here's a mount, some appropriate screws or end wall anchors. And then we have the power brick. A little clunky, chunky, but whatever. And there we have it. So here we go. A lot of the Ubiquiti items, and other vendors of course as well, they do power over Ethernet. What I was impressed with was how even this smaller line item already has PoE plus, and that's the first 4 ports here. So that's basically just additional wattages that are used to power devices like cameras and things. The other 4 ports are non-PoE or generic PoE, I believe. And then here are the link indicators, so you know what each color indicates. Then the cool logo on the top. Then we have our power input on the back. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and swap out the old HP switch for this new Ubiquiti 8-port. Be right back. And now we have our Ubiquiti switch all plugged in and ready to roll. Look at it go. So I was recently introduced to Ubiquiti through a couple colleagues, and I wasn't sure about them, but I did some research and they seem to have a pretty awesome offering of products, and I wanted to start with this switch. I'm looking to probably incorporate some of their other products in my home, and they have, you know, network management, intrusion detection, they have security, Wi-Fi, and several other offerings. So quite a huge line and a unified operating system. So no matter if you're setting this up at home or setting this up in an enterprise, it's the same operating system. And I found that pretty fascinating. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.